So for my course theme, I chose to do something unique and different. And my theme is getting kids with special education a better way to learn. And this really hits home for me because my cousin has Down syndrome, and I don't like hearing stories about how obviously it's a fact that he's slower than others, but like it's out of his control. And when I hear that kids in his school don't like they make fun of him for it, it just personally irritates me. So my first picture I chose was this one, and I think this is a really cool picture because you can see the kids that were like born fine, they were born with nothing wrong with them. But you also see the kids with something wrong with them that they can't control, and they're all learning together. And I feel like that's the real big picture of schools. And then, so for my solution, or my first step of action, is going to be I'm going to make an app that helps kids with special education or disabilities learn at the same rate as some of the others. So obviously it's not going to be the same math problems, the same English problems, but it's going to be the same thing, but like less complicated and easier for them to understand for their brains to work.